Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Welcome back to our workshop. To get the most from your investment and ensure your thunderlaser delivers perfect results for years to come, a simple daily check is essential. It's the secret to maintaining peak performances and a long, reliable machine life. Today, we will cover the 3 key tasks on your daily checklist. Clean the optics, checking the exhaust grill, and ensuring the cooling fans are clear. Let's start with the optics. You will need proper clean fluid, cotton swab, a clean and soft tissue, an air blower, and the dedicated tool to unscrew the lens retaining ring. Never use paper towels, as they can scratch your lenses. So first, let's go on with the focus lens. Lower the bed about 10 cm to give yourself room. Bring the laser head in front of us, close to you. Then just release the laser head, unscrew the nozzle, then the lens tube. Start by blowing away any loose dust. Now, use the dedicated tool provided with your Titan to carefully unscrew the retaining ring. Be extremely gentle so you don't scratch the glass. As you remove the lens, note its orientation. It is concavo-convex. It must go back in with the concave side facing down. Now, apply cleaning fluid to a fresh swab and gently wipe in a spiral from the center out. Follow with a dry swab to polish. Flip it over and repeat the exact process on the other side. And remember the golden rule: never reuse a swab. Once it's spotless, reassemble with the concave side facing down. Next, the mirrors. The process is identical to the lens. We will start with the mirror number 3 in the laser head. Blow away the dust, then, for the safest clean, we will remove the mirror. The retaining rings unscrew easily by hand. No tools needed. Place the mirror on a clean and soft surface. Apply cleaning fluid to a fresh swab, gently wipe in a spiral from the center out, and polish with a new dry one. Reinstall it carefully. Now do the same with the mirror 2 on the gantry. And finally, mirror 1 at the back. And pay attention here. On standard Titan, you have 1 mirror to clean. On the Titan Pro, you have 2 mirrors. Number 1, one for the CO2 and 1 for the fiber. The process is the same for all of them. Just remember, never reuse a swab. With the optic clean, let's check airflow. A clogger laser can't breathe. First, brush your exhaust grill clear and, if you have, give your air compressor's filter a quick check. Finally, the cooling fans are critical. Ensure the main side fan at the top rear of the machine is clear. Then, blow out the fan on your RF tube. And for Titan Pro user, you have a third fan on the fiber source that also need to be dust-free. Keeping all of them clear is essential for long life and consistent power. Make this part of your daily routine and your laser will perform flawlessly for years to come. Subscribe for more essential guides and go to make something incredible. Just let us know. See you guys.